Hello, and thank you for visiting HRBUniversal. I'm Brad Peters, your host today for this short tutorial on how to search for a proctored exam. From our main website, HRBUni.com, there's two different ways to do that. You can go to the course exam search link at the top of the page and click the arrow down button, Proctored Exam, or you can scroll further down to the box that says Proctored Exam Search Now. So we'll go ahead and click that. We pull up the Proctored Exam page. We'll just scroll down and get the main area in there. We'll search by location for that. So we have in-person proctored exam, testing center proctored exam, or remote proctored exam. So we'll search in those three different areas. So the in-person exam, they are in person with you, one of our trained team to handle your exam needs. Testing center, you'll go on site for that test to a physical location. And remote proctored is you will take that at home. Please keep in mind there are certain requirements you must have for your computer, as well as area to take that exam in. If you're not tech savvy or do not have an up-to-date system or just a tablet, do not attempt this, because once you purchase it, you cannot reverse the charges. So let's search for an in-person exam. We'll come over, search for a location. So we'll type in the city. So I'm in Birmingham, so I'm going to search Birmingham. That's taking its sweet time. We pull multiple places up. We have multiple exam options available, but I want the ServSafe Food Manager exam. So I'll scroll through the list, all the different exams, and then we'll come down to ServSafe one-to-one certification exam. I'll click on this. It'll tell me a brief description about the information, about the provider contact information, as well as a scheduling of the exam in the market, exam cost, information about study materials and books, and also if you'd like to have an online course to go with that, as well as regulatory requirements and the policies. Let's scroll back up and let's schedule our exam. So the first date available for an exam is going to be April 26th with a proctor at 7:30 in the morning. It's Sunday. I really don't feel like taking an exam on Sunday. So let's take a look and see what they have available on Monday, April 27th. I'll click on that date. Well, I see that they're available starting at 9:30 in the morning to 1:30 that afternoon. So let's go ahead and choose 9:30 a.m. My name is Brad Peters. My email address. I choose the program I want. You'll just pull the drop-down menu. There's all the exams listed, but I want the ServSafe, which is the first one. I'll choose my location. Will it be the local library and or the place of business? So I'm going to choose place of business. I want them to come to me, okay? Because I'll be in the kitchen cooking and just take a short break to take my exam. Please keep in mind that location must be open to the public while the exam is being administered for safety purposes for both you and the proctor. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my location. So Brad's place at 111 Main Street, Birmingham, AL 35203. Okay. Name of the examinee, Brad Peters. Please keep in mind we asked the name twice because the person booking it may not be the examinee. If you have multiple, just turn around, put a comma in, and put the other person's name in. Hit confirm meeting. You'll get a confirmation email about the appointment, as well as a calendar invite. Within 24 hours, the proctor will confirm the location and the time with you via email. Once it's agreed, you'll receive an e-invoice to be paid. Once it's paid, you'll receive a confirmation email and reminder emails. Please keep in mind, you are not registered for the exam until payment is received. If payment has not been received prior to the day of the exam, your e-invoice will be canceled and you will have to reschedule for a future date. I appreciate you visiting HRBUniversal and look forward to providing you a proctored exam.